good for your lungs. Most of you in any case would be spoiling your lungs with tobacco. Chalo isi bahane has to liye, because most of you, now that you are coming to a B school, you probably think you have very few reasons to laugh. Isn't it? It happens. I encourage people to laugh because my job is that. Most people look at a job as a pain in the neck. Some of them look at it much lower down, So, we are not going to talk about now. A very learned teacher of yours said, this man has a lot of experience and you can learn from his experience. With great respect to him, I want to say one thing. मेरे experience से आपको कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. So don't even, not from mine. I'll tell you why. Whatever I would have learned must have been in 1864 or 1921 or something like that. Don't go by my looks, I'm much older than I look. Okay? Now the question is, why are we here? We are not here to direct a movie called Pushpa. Nor are we here to observe Maun Vrat. वैसे भी आज सोमवार तो है नहीं, आज शुक्रवार है ना? So, गुरुवार है? मतलब you already lost track of days and time. Now, there's another great thing that has happened with technology. I brought a presentation, but I think it is lost. So, I don't know what to talk to you about. It happens very often. Because life already, life has a very bad habit of catching you at the wrong time. स्कूल में फिजिक्स के लिए तैयारी करके एग्जाम देने के लिए जाता था, पता चलता था केमिस्ट्री का पेपर है. अब जितने लोग हंसे, उन्होंने वही आजमाया जो मैंने दी. And when you are expecting a full toss, you're going to get a Yorker. And a Yorker that, cracks your toes at times. Okay. Now let me tell you, I am absolutely the wrongest man to call to talk to you because A, I ran away from college. Automatically it means that I ran away from home. I am not an engineer. और अब तक from my sense of humor, my great feeling of comfort, आपने अंदाजा लगा लिया होगा कि मैंने बी स्कूल में भी पढ़ाई नहीं की. But I am not here to tell you go down to the admin department and take a refund. It's too late. And in any case, जब आ ही गए हो तो भुगतो. You could have done worse. You could have done a lot more worse things than coming to a B school. But now that you've come here, might as well enjoy it. So, what we are probably going to look at today is, where did this presentation disappear? In fact, I'm seriously thinking which one to share with you now. But don't worry, I think I'll make it easier. Folders and folders and folders. Okay, here you are. Life में एक चीज सीखा है, बैकअप रखो. But life has also taught me never have plan B. Funny. Okay. You must be wondering why I gave a title called Beyond the Uncharted Landscape. Sounds very high funda, no? किसी ने मुझे बोला, बी स्कूल में जा रहे हो बात करने के लिए, प्रेजेंटेशन में पावर नहीं है चलेगा, पॉइंट नहीं है चलेगा, लेकिन टाइटल बहुत पावरफुल होना चाहिए. Because that is what they are looking for. Is it true? Good, thank God. Okay, very simple. How many of you are from this city? How many of you belong to this city? Oh, how many of you have come from, say, about 400 or 500 kilometers away from here. Alright. How many of you come from 1000 kilometers from here? Oh wow. And how many of you, हाथ नीचे करो, notice board में लिखना पड़ेगा क्या? How many of you have come from outside of this planet? There we have 2 people. 3, 4. Very good. Okay. No, why? There are songs nowadays, no, that say I am not from this planet, I am from some other planet or whatever. Okay. Why I asked you this question is, how many days old are you here? About 20 days? 25 days? 5 days? Right. You come from a place which is far away to a new place. Maybe some of you come to Delhi for the first time in your life. So new place, new culture, new friends, new roommates, people sharing a desk with you, someone totally unfamiliar. Maybe for some of you, some new languages also. Right? And suddenly you are in a new world. You are in an uncharted territory like this. Contour maps of your geography class. I'm sure you don't want to remember them. They were painful. Geography classes were always. English literature was far better. No? Poetry and all. And before you realize it, ये 2 साल ऐसे निकल जाएंगे. I have a request. Why don't we share jokes with me also? It'll be great fun. I love listening to jokes. Okay, so whenever you feel like cracking a joke, talk to me instead of talking to your neighbor. Okay. Before you realize it, these 2 years will get over and you would have traveled beyond this uncharted landscape. So, I come back to this question. Now, the first person who answers is going to get a gift hamper from NDIL. And the question is, by the way, who talks like this? ये जो अभी मैंने सवाल पूछा, who talks like this? What is the name of the program? Okay, I don't have coffee. I can give you rum with ranga. Sorry, ratham with ranga. Sorry, ratham with ranga. So people will start getting ideas. सेल्समैन वही चीज बेचता है जिसकी उसको खुद की जरूरत नहीं है. All right, so why are you here? I want to hear from you. You want to grow? So gym में जाओ ना यार. And build your latissimus dorsi and your 6 packs. Grow.
Grow as a professional.
Oh, grow as a professional.
To stand there one day.
To stand here one day. One day. Why not today? Why not today? Why not today? इस स्पीड में तो भैया इंडियन रेलवे भी आपको बीट कर देगी. Okay, fine. Maybe to stand here one day, all right. Any other thoughts? Sorry, I'll just come back in. Sorry. To become a professional. बड़ा practical answer. And everybody gets here, nothing very unusual. What else? Oh, that's good. We have an honest man here and there's nothing wrong in being honest. In fact, that's the best thing. कुछ याद नहीं रखना कि इसको क्या झूठ बोला. He's saying, I'm still wondering why I'm here. Don't worry, 99% of people have the same problem, they won't tell you. I'm very clear why I'm here. I'm here to interact with the people who are going to run this country tomorrow. The people who will make a great difference to this country and say that this country is the best in the world. But for that, I still need a couple of thoughts from you people. Why are you here? Yes, ma'am.
Managing ourselves.
Can you please forward that visit? आगे forward कर दीजिए ना मेल की तरह क्या बोला उन्होंने? Oh, sorry, I'm wondering. Managing RJ, I'm wondering which RJ she's talking about. Managing ourselves. Wonderful. I had a boss called Ramesh Jatia. So managing RJ meant managing Ramesh Jatia, you know. Alright, what else? Yes, sir.
We can lead the future to the country.
You what, sir? क्या बात है?
थोड़ा टेंशन. To listen to your speech.
A, it is not a speech. B, I know most people don't listen to it, which is why they continue studying here. Otherwise, they would have followed me somewhere, you know. And the third is, what are you going to get out of listening to me? I mean it. Please feel free to walk out of this hall anytime once I have finished my presentation. Okay. To understand why we are here, I would like to share with you an old Chinese proverb which is my favorite. Since I assume not many of you would know Chinese, I will translate it into English for you. Because even I don't know Chinese. If I do not know where I come from, how do I know where I am? And if I do not know where I am, how do I know where I want to go? का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अमृतसर से आया हूं और एम्स्टर्डम जाना है. There's something slightly deeper. Where do I come from? What am I good at? What is it that I like to do? What is it that I want to do? And am I moving in that direction? Don't worry, we'll just go back to school. You know, when you were in school, you wanted to be in college. When you got into college, you wanted to do your PG. And when you're wanting to do your PG, you will be wanting to work or run a business or whatever. And believe me, on your first day there, you're going to say, school was the best time. You're already beginning to feel that? Okay. So let's go back to school. There are certain things that happened in school. One particular day, every term, you would run home. Most of you ran home, some of you slowly walked home. With a piece of paper in your hand. You went and showed that piece of paper to your parents. Some of them smiled and signed on it. Some of them sighed and signed on it anyway. And some of them cried and refused to sign on it. So you signed on their behalf and gave it back to school. Darji?
I agree.
तुसी मेरे नाल हो? वाह, बढ़िया. So this is the first Madrasi who enjoys talking to you guys in Punjabi. Okay, now, जितने लोग हंसे और तालियां बजाई उन्होंने वही किया जो मैंने भी किया. But then that's part of growing up. We all do it once in life. नहीं किया, अभी भी मौका है. No, but then, why does this happen? Because you can't top in every subject in school. In some subject you're going to get less. Now, look, the biggest problem is everybody is under pressure, but they don't realize that someone else is under far more pressure. 11 out of 100 in the first term, 22 out of 100 in the second term, 33 out of 100 in the third term. By progress हो रहा है. But I want 97, उसको 95 मिला. मैं उसे बाहर देख लूँगा. मैं उसे मत मार देखो, खुद को देखो. The problem with all of us is we start looking at everybody else and we don't look at what we want to do in life. In progress. Now, what is the name of that piece of paper? Progress. अभी है 11 से 44 is progress, right? According to management experts, mathematical wizards, 330% growth. लेकिन हम दुखी रहते. I got half a mark less than that fellow. If you ask the ladies, what is your favorite brand? They will say, no marks. Funny. Why are you obsessed with marks? Yes, sure. Probably those marks help you get into another institution or into another institution, but apart from that, you've got to start everything afresh. Suppose I score a century in a particular innings, and when I go back in the second innings, I need to start afresh. So why do we get het up about all these things? It's because we are comparing ourselves with somebody else. Why aren't we comparing ourselves with ourselves? So it brings me to this very interesting 4 letters. I'm sure you worked with these 4 letters maybe in school or in college. 4 letters you worked with everywhere, but we're talking about a different set of 4 letters. S, W, O, and T. Right? So what does S stand for? Go to the gym, pick up the weights and make your triceps and deltoids and all that, right? Is that the strength we're talking about? No. So what does strength mean? What we are good at. What we are very good at. What we love to do. What we are absolutely thrilled doing. What we can talk about all day without feeling tired. What we can share with people about. Even if it's in the middle of the night, let's get on, let's do it. W? The opposite? What we don't like. Somebody comes and says, मैं सो रहा हूँ. Even buckets of water will not wake you up, right? Now let me share with you my weaknesses. I don't mind. I don't bother. I will openly share with you my weaknesses. I have 3 weaknesses. My first weakness is Bengali sweets. My second weakness is, sir didn't read that out. मेरे लाइफ में एक ही अचीवमेंट है, वो उन्होंने पढ़ा नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता देता हूँ. मैंने एक रॉयल एनफील्ड बुलेट 2 लाख किलोमीटर चलाई है. और वो भी in terrains like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, tougher terrains, and the hills, Ladakh, and those kind of places. Second weakness is old bikes, and the third is old Hindi film songs, especially those sung by Mohammed Rafi Sahab. Hold on, don't get carried away by all this. How did I use the word weakness? Yeah, that's it. In a positive way. Why don't we do that? Why do we spend our whole life, I'm not good at this. I'm not good at this. मुझे ये नहीं आता. वो मुझसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है. This is the problem. Why do we spend our entire lives worrying so much about our weakness that we forget to nurture our strength? Each one of us has a major strength in us. We know it. But the problem is we don't acknowledge it and we don't think about it and we feel a little shy of admitting it. And we don't tell ourselves that let me become a little better at this today, a little better at this tomorrow, a little better at this day after tomorrow, so that one day I become the best at it. At the end of the day, you can only do 1 or 2 things in life. You can't do a million things. But then if you like something, why not do it so well that you thoroughly enjoy doing it and you feel damn good? Think about it. The guy standing in front of you went to a college called St. Stephen's. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
Have you any idea what kind of marks are required to get into that college? That's what I have heard. मुझे नहीं मालूम. I got into college. Do you know why? No. I stood first in my school also. But I was so busy enjoying playing cricket that whenever I had a little time, I would study. You actually need less time. You have lots of time. God has given us 168 hours per week. And Achal Rangaswamy can give you 180 if you want. That's a different program. Uske paise lagte hain because time is money. But what I want to tell you is, we frittered away our time. We want to hang out at a CCD. You hang out at a CCD, doesn't matter. But then when you are hanging out, why can't you read a book or at least learn to play the guitar? Do something. साथ कुछ कर सकते हो ना? Hey, we'll come to all that later on. SWOT याद रखो. प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट याद रखो और हर रोज एक थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अच्छा इंसान, स्लाइटली बेटर। आज कल मैं थोड़ा और अच्छा, और भी अच्छा, और भी अच्छा, until you become damn good. You know it. That's one. How many of you are fond of poetry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5, 6 centuries gone. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Management को कविता से क्या लेना देना? Unless your professor happens to be a kavita man or something like that. The problem with most of us is, हम सोचते हैं poetry क्या पढ़ेगा? Come here to learn management, man. And poetry is not at all macho. That's why the guys don't learn poetry. But what about the ladies? Why aren't you fond of poetry? Now, I'm going to share a poem with you and you're going to say, I know it. And I'm not talking about Baba Black Sheep. There is a poem that ends with the following 4 lines. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. That is the second line. That is the second line. Wonderful, wonderful. But I have promises to keep and... देखा? झूठे लोग hypocrites, I hate you. Poetry नहीं पसंद. अरे poetry is life. क्यों? It's not only about this. It's about, doesn't the Shayar say? It's, you know, when we listen to a song, we say, what a lovely song, without realizing that it's a beautiful piece of poetry. You know, we start putting into narrow, tiny compartments which we call verticals or silos, and we get into all this kind of jargon. You know, jargon, don't get used to jargon like out of the box and things like that. Don't. Just think coolly, think with an open mind. Now I'll tell you. This poem, what's the name of this poem, by the way? That's the name of the poet. Right, perfect. Wonderful. Stopping by the woods on a snowy evening. Now, what is the poem about? What happened in the poem?
Actually, sir, it says about that we have to do many things before we die. It means not die actually. It says that and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Means we wish to do many things, but sometimes we can't. Sometimes we can't. So whatever we wish, we should do it.
Oh, thank you. Sit down. You have understood the second part of the poem superbly. The tragedy of life is that all of us understand the second part of the poem only. The poem begins with the lines, whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village low. The poet is taking a walk in the woods when it suddenly starts snowing. Now, when it starts snowing, what are we likely to do? We would like to rush indoors and protect ourselves from the snow. But he lets the snow come down his hair, go down his collar, because he says, the gifts of nature are so beautiful, God knows when I'm going to see this again, so let me relax and enjoy it. And he stands there and his horse shakes its head and says, come on old man, become stable, move, let me also go to my stable. क्या म्यूजिकल चल रहा है क्या? Okay. That's the time when he says, I would love to stay on. I would love to stand more in the snow, but I have miles to go before I sleep. The problem with all of us is, we know how the poem ends. We don't know how it begins. The problem with all of us is, we know where we want to go. We want to become CEOs, managing directors, entrepreneurs, businessmen, industrialists, successful people, but we don't know how to begin. How to take that first step without realizing that it is the first step that you took in your life that embarked you on a great career when you were about a year old. Same thing happens with us in life. We're taking a walk when it suddenly starts raining and we rush indoors. क्यों? बाल बिगड़ जाएंगे. Now a guy like me doesn't have to worry, but most of you worry. But tell me honestly, put your hand on your heart and tell me the truth. How many of you love standing in the rain? There you are. There you are. Another sign of hypocrisy. We lead a double existence, all of us. One, what will others say? And the other, what is it I really like to do? If you keep yourself busy doing what you like to do, honestly, you would have got. I do training programs at various places. One of them is called the Ahmedabad Management Association. Every Sunday, I train about 20-25 people on sales, my favorite subject. The selling is the noblest job in the world. Selling is the greatest thing to do because it makes the world run. Now, a young lady burst into the room one day after the tea break and she was lost. She also looked unfamiliar to us. She didn't look like she was part of our program. I said, ma'am, can I help you? Yes. Stress management? I said, sorry? Stress management class. I was there before the tea break. Oh, okay. See, there are lots of classrooms in the corridor. She must have overshot the classroom and entered mine. So I told her, don't worry, just go out. Look out for those placards outside the classroom. You will find your stress management class there. Now, one of my students, one of these mischievous guys, he's a sales manager in a pharma company. He said, sir, why did you tell her this is diploma in sales? You should have told her this is diploma in fun. I said, my diploma in fun बोलूँगा तो AMA वाले मुझे बाहर भेज देंगे. They will not let me teach you guys. He says, no, but I think class खत्म होने के बाद हम देखते हैं वो lady सही सलामत stress management में पहुंची कि नहीं. So when we finished class, we just walked past. We saw that placard stress management. We did. मेरे क्लास में 22 लोग. Stress management में 80 लोग. And all of them were below 35 years of age. You're all heading for it. If you don't start accepting certain truths in life, you can't move mountains. All these positive thinking books will tell you, you can do this, you can do this. Most positive thinking books were written by guys who failed to get jobs. You have to do it. I did a few days back. I bought a book, Learn Swimming in 30 Days. वो किताब अब मैं फ्री में देना चाहता हूँ किसी को. मैं पानी की तरफ गया ही नहीं. Learn Gujarati in 10 days आ गया without a book. You know why? जैसे ट्रांसफर होके गुजरात पहुंचा राजस्थान से, across the badminton court I saw somebody, and in 10 days I learned. That was 29 years back. Today she has learned Tamil. That's a different thing. It's about. This is our version of Chennai Express, you know. So remember, enjoy the journey. Let that bit of rain fall on you. ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ. It's about enjoying the journey. Your school day times, when you got into a train to go on a long distance journey, maybe to visit your grandparent or some aunt or uncle. Long train journey. 2 nights, 2 days maybe. Getting down at every railway station, finding out what's good to eat here, what's good to drink there. And when the train reached the destination, what did you tell your sister or your brother? Oh, the journey got over. Isn't it? Yeah. So not only me, even the poet says, मंजिल से बेहतर लगने लगे हैं ये रास्ते. It's all about enjoying the journey. Please enjoy every day that you are here while you're learning of something new. Don't look at it as a pain. Every day you're going to learn something new. In the evening when you go and sit down, just write one line. What enjoyable thing did I learn today? I'm sure today you're not going to have a problem. But for tomorrow you'll have to think of something. Right? Please enjoy every day that you are here and you will learn. And you know, do you remember all your nursery rhymes? You do, most of them, isn't it? Why? Because you learned them playfully. Do you remember your physics and chemistry formulae and equations? You don't. Why? Because somebody said, study, or you will fail. Isn't it? I don't remember anything from my 9th, 10th and 11th. I don't even remember my classroom. So, it happens. But what you learn while having fun, what you learn while playing, what you learn when you are at your most relaxed, you are to learn for the rest of your life and forever. Okay, that is one poem. Another poem. This poem is about so the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken. And how does this poem end? It says, I took the road less travelled, and that has made all the difference. For God's sake, don't walk on the road somebody else is walking on just because that someone else is a friend, an uncle, a nephew, a relative, somebody, whatever. Walk the road you want to walk on. Standing before you is a guy who was probably, his parents thought, Stephens, history, MA history, UPSC, IAS. But I don't know, somewhere at the back of my mind, I didn't want to be a government babu. Nothing wrong. They are doing very well in life and they get published in the papers every day for all the wrong reasons. But anyway, I had only one ambition, to ride an Enfield Bullet. I didn't have the money. And my dad said it's a heavy bike, is unsafe. Typical middle class Tamilian Brahmin mentality. Heavy bike, you will break your leg. I have never broken a leg on that bike. I've broken other people's legs. That's a different thing. And that too for other reasons. But all I want to tell you is that ambition made me go and tell the principal, sir, thanks. I've learned a lot. On the last day of my college, after writing my last exam, I just bolted out, picked up that bike the company gave me. People look for a job that comes with a bike. I look for a bike that came with a job. And believe me, in the last 34 years that I've been working, I've just been enjoying the ride. Nowadays it is a drive, that's the only difference. I haven't sold a thing in my life. I don't know how I achieved my targets. I don't know how I stood first in certain contests. I don't know how I got that AMA Zydus Kadila Marketing Man of the Year award. I have just been enjoying the ride. Please enjoy the ride. Okay, so we shared poetry. Poetry से तो आपको ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं है. Stories? जब तक पढ़ाई की बात मत करो तब तक सब बढ़िया है. I want to share with you my favorite story, my all-time favorite story, and I suspect that at least 50% of you will say, this is my favorite story also. It is a story of Lieutenant Karan Shergill in the movie Lakshya. How many of you have seen Lakshya? Okay, a lot of you. How many of you liked it? ये शायद एक ही फिल्म होगी कि जितने लोगों ने बोला मैंने देखी है उतने लोगों ने पसंद भी की. Very rare. Otherwise you have movies like whatever. Easily forgettable. You see them last Friday and you wonder, but then Lakshya, saw it so many years back. Okay, can anybody, any one of you tell me in 3 sentences the story of Lakshya? खूब भालो करबो लड़बो जीतबो. But then उससे पहले, even before करबो लड़बो जीतबो, what had happened? डरबो and भागबो. आज रात्रे आम्ही जोत्रा सुनते जाबो ना. आम्ही जाबो ना तुम्हें जाबो. Isn't it? I am a big Uttam Kumar fan. Okay, so that was in one sentence. Can anybody now tell me in plain and simple Hindi or English? Yes, sir.
So, if you have a dream, protect it and live for it.
Wonderful. Very nicely expressed. This is something new. If you have a dream, protect it and live for it. You've said what I wanted to say, that I think I can leave now because you have said exactly what I wanted. Everybody has a dream. Everybody wants to achieve it and they say, तुम दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात. अरे तो hell with it, यार. No, it won't happen. वो फिल्म में खड़ा था, फिल्मी डायलॉग मार रहा था with an artificial six-pack. If you have a dream, you will have to protect it, you will have to nurture it, you will have to work at it, and you will have to pay for it. Why? You wanted a new mobile phone. Did you beg, borrow, or steal? Or did you work for it and you got it? You wanted a new watch. You paid for it. You didn't even take a discount. So in life, why are you wanting a discount for life to make you successful? When you go for a job and sit in the interview, do you offer discounts? Sir, I cost so much, but for you, I will... Nonsense, you won't. Isn't it? Don't sell yourself short. You are worth millions. Then become worth millions. And when you become worth millions, nobody will say no to you. And the first lesson there is, accept what you are as you are at this point of time. Because to win any race, to complete any distance, you need to know where you are right now. I'm going to become slim. Doesn't make sense. How much do you weigh right now? How much do you want to reach? I want to become rich. ठीक है, आज बैंक बैलेंस है या बैंक में भी बैलेंस नहीं है. It's okay, it doesn't matter. But then, how much and by when? How much and by when are two beautiful measures of success. Success, I don't understand the word. Happiness or being fulfilled. You can. So, here is the story of a young man who went and did what his friend tells him, I don't want to be friends with you because you can't make up your mind. Isn't it? That's the turning point. But which is the defining moment in the movie? अगर सेंसर बोर्ड ने, वैसे तो सेंसर बोर्ड के पास कोई कारण ही नहीं होगा इस फिल्म को काटने के लिए, पर अगर सेंसर बोर्ड ने इस फिल्म को पूरा काट दिया और एक ही सीन अलाउ करते, which scene would it have been? Tell me, which scene would you have allowed in the film? What does he do or what does he say?
When he looks at the mountain and this is my life.
What does he say? अभी मैं सुनाऊं? There is a reason, and I'll give you the reason also. रोमी, तुम मुझसे कहती थी ना कि मेरी जिंदगी में लक्ष्य नहीं है, अब है. And after that, he is so much overcome with emotion that he can't say anything. And he just walks away from there and she calls out to him, but he doesn't reply. I would have missed this movie. I would have missed it actually. I didn't even know it had been released. I was staying alone. I was in Baroda, which was my corporate office at that time for that company. And I was alone. I got an SMS from 1,000 kilometers away. Have you seen this new movie called Lakshya? I said, no. Go and see it. No, but why? Don't ask questions, just go and see it. No, but why? Dad, don't keep asking questions, I'm running out of balance. Kids always run out of balance when they are messaging dad. The first half will remind you of me, and the second half will remind you of you. Ye kya baat hai? Let me go and see. So I went and saw the movie. And then I realized what this young man wanted me to do. This young man sending me an SMS from Chennai. Why Chennai? Because he felt, I want to study English literature. Gujarat mein main English literature nahi padh sakta hu. I need to go to Delhi or Chennai. So I told him, okay, you go to Stevens where I studied, or you go to Loyola in Chennai. I'll go to Loyola because you already need to see it. Okay, fine. He went there. New place, new culture. The guy doesn't even speak Tamil. And Chennai is a different planet. If those of you who have visited, you know it. It's a difficult place. It's a very difficult place. If you want to punish somebody, transfer him to Chennai. Now, from there, he sends me this. Then I realized when I saw the movie, he was not wanting to me just see the movie. He was wanting to tell me, hey, Dad, I also made up my mind. Young boy, seen lots of problems in life, kept struggling in academics, did very badly. But then one day finally discovered his own calling, had a lot of guts to change his school, his board, his course, lose a year and take up a particular course which has now catapulted him to a different territory altogether. He's just passed out of a year back, he passed out of the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, with a PG in photography. And he's doing project work for National Geographic and Jet Wings magazine and so on. He's running a publishing house and he published my book. Young boy. I don't want to boast about my son, but why I gave you this example was Karan Shergill to screen pe tha. आप उसे छू नहीं सकते, आप उससे बात नहीं कर सकते. But Ravi Kiran Rangaswamy went and wrote a book called 46 plus 14 is equal to 06, a story of a genius. स्कूल से लेके आया मार्कशीट 0 out of 10. टीचर ने 0 लिखा था. क्यों? I wrote 14. His mom asked, what have you written? 46 plus 14. Did you write 6 and 0? I wrote 6 and 0. I wrote 6 here. I wrote 0 here. टीचर ने मुझे डफर बोला. मैं डफर हूँ? नहीं, तुम जीनियस हो. What is mother told him that. Mom and son together wrote this book, which only on the 13th of June they have received a certificate from the Limca Book of Records as the book that has gone down in history as the first piece of fiction to be written by a mom and son together on success. You don't need to watch a movie to know this. Each one of you is a Karan Shergill. Each one of you is a Ravi Kiran. Each one of you can go beyond that also. It is entirely up to you. Okay. It reminded me of another character from a book. Jonathan Livingston Seagull. No?
There was a key and the sheep, albatross.
Yeah, it's a seagull. You're very close to it. An albatross has much stronger wings and can fly. Seagulls unfortunately can't fly. Or they can't fly very high. You want to see seagulls? Just watch an Australian cricket channel early in the morning and you'll find on the Sydney cricket ground on the boundary those white birds that can't fly very high. Now Jonathan Seagull went up to his parents and said, Dad, Mom, I want to fly high. Dad and Mom said, No. You are a seagull, you can't fly. ये हम सब करते हैं ना सोसाइटी में. No. You're a Madrasi, you can't fight on the streets. You're a Punjabi, you can't think. You're a Sardar, you can't play chess. अरे nonsense. वो एक सरदार जो मुझे हमेशा चेस में हराता है, मेरा रीजनल मैनेजर गुरप्रीत सिंह बेदी. हमेशा मैं चेस खेलता हूँ, मुझे हराता है. और वो भी नहीं सुनो, लेफ्ट हैंड से खेल के भी मुझे हराता है चेस में. ये सब नॉनसेंस है. That you can't do this, you can't do that. This is all paradigms. Please don't fall into paradigms. Don't allow anyone to tell you you can't do it. But then make sure you prepare yourself to do it. Just wishing करने से and hope करने से और हाथ में ट्रॉफी लेकर देखते रहने से नहीं हो जाने वाला है. तो ट्रॉफी के लिए you will have to blood, sweat and tears. It's worth it. It's really worth it. So this happened about a boy who went to college and taught me a lesson. But there was another boy. He was about to graduate. Part of a very rich family. Went up to his dad and said, Dad, I'm going to graduate. I'm going to write my last exam tomorrow. What gift are you going to give me? Dad said, Mango, jo mango milega. Dad, I want a new car. Okay, you'll get it. He went, wrote his exam, came back, found there was no car at the porch. Dad, where's my gift? Dad gave him something like this, a book. Nicely gift wrapped, here your son. Dad, a toy car, a replica. Open it, son. He hurriedly tore open the gift wrapper and found a religious book. He looked at the book, looked at his dad and said, this is what you give me? You could give me 2 cars. He threw the book, walked out of the house promising never to return. He never went back home. Years passed. Many years passed. He got a job, he got a small job, he got a slightly bigger job, he got a slightly bigger job. He started progressing in life over a period of time. Saw a lot of struggle. One day met a beautiful young lady, they got married. They had a son. Son grew up, and one day it was time for him to go 1,000 kilometers away to study somewhere. That was the time this man said, my God, my son is leaving me to go and study somewhere else far away from home. I'm going to miss him. My dad must have missed me all these years. And I fought with him for no reason. I got everything in the world. What car? I want everything in the world. Why don't I say sorry? Why don't I apologize? Let me go and tell my dad I did something wrong. As he was making plans to organize a journey to his father's city, he got a message that his father had passed away. Nothing could make him rush faster. He flew down and ran up the stairs of his father's house, big house. He went and looked for the book. He saw it lying exactly where he had thrown it. He picked up the book, turned the pages, thoughts of his dad came into his mind, tears rolled down his cheeks. As he turned another few pages, a key fell out from the book with a tag attached to it, carrying the name of the car dealer, 100% advance paid, written on the tag. We are all in a hurry to receive gifts in life that we never ever take it easy and accept the gift with grace. With one gesture, he threw away everything that he earned in his life. And with all the wealth that he had, he missed out on probably his greatest friend. Dads can be damn good friends. Now, what I want to tell you is, are we doing the same thing? We are all very gifted. We don't realize that we are gifted, but we want more and more gifts. Gift अगर बहुत छोटा है, we complain. Gift अगर बहुत बड़ा होता है, गाड़ी में fit नहीं होती है. The gift was given too early, the gift was given too late, packing was not. We reject friendship from people because they can't speak English like we do, or they don't possess a pair of designer jeans like we have, or don't come from the economic or social strata of life that we come from. About an hour back, a fat old man walked into this auditorium. I'm sure a lot of people would have thought, one more lecture. ये क्या gift देने वाले हैं? And now you're listening to me in pin drop silence, wondering which next gift is going to come out of this presentation, right? Life keeps giving you gifts every day. You know how gifted you are? The fact that you could walk up to come to this auditorium is a gift. The fact that you can listen to me is a gift. The fact that you can talk is a gift. The fact that you can see is a gift. Your friends are a gift. Your parents are a great gift. Your teachers are wonderful gifts. But our problem is, पता नहीं आगे क्या है, वो चाहिए. लेकिन जो है, why don't you take advantage of that? Every day in college you're going to learn something useful. Don't just wish it away. Every day, whatever we learned in school is coming handy today for me. My greatest thrill was, I got a call from my school yesterday. I passed out of a school in Delhi called Springdales. I got a call from the principal. She happens to be the daughter of my principal. And she says, can you come and talk to the students tomorrow about your book? We are so proud of you. It's 37 years, but I think some of us still remember you lovingly. It isn't about that. It is about all the gifts that I got in school that I put together in the book. I'm sure each one of you is a millionaire with all the gifts that you got in life. Don't just waste all these gifts that you have. I am now going to jump to the story of the carpenter who wanted to retire. There was a carpenter, he was a good carpenter, but he decided to call it a day. He went up to the construction site boss and told him, boss, हिसाब कर दो मुझे जाना है. He said, okay, no problem, I'll let you go, but do me a favor, ये जो project कर रहे हो इसको तो complete कर दो. ठीक है, okay, I'll. Now what happens when you decide to quit but you are asked to carry on? Your heart is not in it, no? Poor workmanship, inferior quality of material used, it shows, it showed. He went up to the boss and said, boss, Hisab. The boss said, huh, sure, you've been a good carpenter, I must reward you. He put his hand into his pocket, took out the key and said, here you are, my gift for you, the house that you just built. हम सब घर बनाते हैं ये सोचकर कि कोई और आके रहने वाला है उसमें, बना दो। हम सब एक कॉलेज में 2 साल के लिए आते हैं, 2 साल, and after that, Boston, here I come. So we leave all kinds of marks. We leave all kinds of marks. Huh? We leave on the walls, on the desks, on the tables. We leave all kinds of marks. R, heart, arrow going into the heart, S. We'll figure it out. He also left a mark. I've been a student of history, and I've been more fortunate than you are that in our days when we were studying, the Qutub Minar was open for us to climb and go and see. Now it's not. So you go up, coming down the steps of the Qutub and recalling your most favorite song sung by the most handsome hero, for the most beautiful heroine, by the greatest singer of all times. You come down the steps humming that song, and suddenly your mind gets attracted by some great calligraphy. वो calligraphy इल्तुतमिश या कुतुबुद्दीन या रज़िया सुल्तान के दिनों का नहीं है. It's more contemporary. और लिखा है, came in 1975 with wife, had great fun. Below that, a smarter guy has written, came in 1977 without wife, had even more fun. Now, we all leave marks. The carpenter left a mark. These people have left a mark on the Qutub. आगरे में जाओ, आगरा फोर्ट के अंदर किसी ने लिखा है बंटी, तो किसी ने लिखा है. But you guys decide what mark you want to leave. There are many marks. One is outside the principal's room, nice wooden board which is called the Scroll of Honor. Captain, college cricket team. Member, house volleyball team. Holder of the curtain in the school play. Doesn't matter, yaar. You may have been holding a curtain only. At least you got a chance to hold the curtain. Did you play a role or did you roll? Sports day, आज तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. Annual day, छोड़ो यार, कौन जाएगा? But do you realize that when you are in college, you have 100 opportunities to manage events, and that's where we come and see: does this person have organizing abilities? Is this person a team person? Is this person a team player? Never miss an opportunity, and in your college there are lots of activities. In fact, I was thrilled. I came here on a particular occasion, a very rare platform, I want to tell you, very rare, and for that I must compliment the people who run this organization, the people who teach here. You have a book club. I haven't seen a book club in most other B schools. I was so happy that day. You see, because there's something or the other happening. You guys can create your own little societies, you can create your own little groups and bring out the best talents in you people. Please get involved and make sure that you leave a mark that people remember you for a long, long time. Because you never know. Somewhere you're impacting somebody's life. Think about it. Okay. I don't have so much time, so I'm going to skip 1 or 2 slides and go on to the most crucial one. Now tell me, what do corporates look for in a business school product? Sorry? Dependability, all right? Loyalty. Performance. Team player. Talent. क्या बात कही बॉस, क्या वर्ड, एटीट्यूड. अब ये वर्ड जो है ना, ये बड़ा अजीब हो गया आज के जमाने में. Once upon a time you had a good attitude or a bad attitude, a positive attitude or a negative attitude. But today attitude, don't give me that kind of attitude, man. Obviously he is referring to attitude means outlook or perspective, right? Okay. Yeah. Collective effort. मिलकर कॉलेज से गुल्ली मारने के 50 बहाने की नोटबुक. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? What about dealership? You have to learn to sell also. Okay, fair enough. Adaptability, गिरगिट की तरह. Okay, what else? Confidence, उसके लिए close-up है ना? Okay, fair enough. Commitment, all right, okay. Communication skills. Sorry, communication skills. All right. Communication मतलब इंग्लिश ऐसे बोलो कि सब लोग डिक्शनरी खरीदने के लिए दौड़े. What else?
Hard work.
हाँ देखा. नहीं सॉरी. And I'm very happy it came in that order. अगर किसी ने पहले स्मार्ट वर्क बोल के फिर हार्ड वर्क बोला होता तो मुझे but somebody said hard work and then someone said smart because to be a smart worker you must know what is hard work. Good, wonderful.
Coordination.
Okay, coordinator. Huh?
Patience.
Patience. Oh, tons of it, tons. A doctor has patience and you need patience. Yes.
Flexibility.
चक्रासन करना एकदम बढ़िया चलना चाहिए. I will be able to do this. Flexibility. What else? Consistency. Yes, absolutely. 3 साल में एक बार सेंचुरी मार देना काफी नहीं है. Okay. What else?
Leading by example.
Leading. But where is that example? Okay, leading by example. Wonderful. I heard it as hidden by example. Okay, great. Wonderful. You give me many more thoughts than I could think of. So I put it into the India kitchen machine, blended it, and I've taken out a 7-step formula. I think the first one is you need to be assertive. A person who's assertive speaks his mind. He doesn't say yes when he wants to say no. The difference between assertive and aggressive is अभी का अभी ये काम करने को मांगता है मेरे को. Assertive is come, let's do it together. I'll show you how to do it. You do it. If we win, you get the credit. If we fail, I'll take the flak. Come, let's do it. Yeah? You need to be assertive. Speak your mind. People make the mistake of trying to please everybody and ending up stressing. Stress is a result of trying to please everyone without working. Second, I call it fire in the belly syndrome. Hungry kya? Determination to succeed. The world is full of talented failures. The world is full of knowledgeable super flops. You know why? They had all the gyan in the world, but that knowledge is of no use if it is not applied. Knowledge is like Harika. You have to apply it properly, at the right time, at the right place, on the right person. And then you end up talking nonsense to someone else. So please remember, here I want to share with you the story of 2 youngsters, 2 young cricketers. Long back, Mumbai School World Batting Partnership. You all know. Tell me honestly, who was the more talented batsman? Who was more elegant? Who was more stylish? Left-handers were always. But what happened? You know? Our man was busy with his footwork. Sachin Tendulkar was practicing his footwork in the nets and in his sleep. Sachin Tendulkar would do nothing else. Mr. Kamti went all around. Sachin Tendulkar made sure he drank a lot of water to keep his hydration levels high. Mr. Kamti never drank water. He never even added water to whatever he was drinking. No, there is nothing wrong in being on the dance floor of a reality show. But was that his lakshya? Who cried the most when India lost the semis in the World Cup? So भैया पैशन से कुछ नहीं होता है. ये पैशन घर पे रखो. ये तो किताबों में और फिल्मों में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. पैशन का एक ही मतलब है, you do demonstrate. I'm passionate. Nothing. Saying doesn't make a damn difference. Doing it. So here you are. Determination to succeed comes from. Look, there are only 2 reasons when people succeed. Only 2 reasons. Only 2 reasons. One, when they have decided they want to do it, when they are passionate about it, when they put their heart and soul and time and money and energy into it. And the other is when they don't have an option. The second one isn't very comfortable. So might as well be in the first. अच्छा है, वहाँ माइनॉरिटी है, कॉम्पिटिशन कम है. Communication skills. Communication does not mean, as I said, speaking great English. Keep it simple. AISS. It's about saying things so clearly the first time that the person does say, हाँ क्या क्या बोलती तू? हाथी का अंडा ला? I can't understand. टाटा डोकोमो, कोई टाटा डोकोमो की जरूरत नहीं. Speak clearly, listen well. Listen with both ears. God has given us 2 ears, 1 mouth. Your communication skills are going to be tested here from day one. And whether you like it or not, ये सारा ज्ञान जो आप यहाँ प्राप्त करने वाले हैं, उसे आप अपने कम्युनिकेशन के जरिए ही तो एक्सप्रेस करने वाले हैं. अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए टॉप क्लास कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी ना आपसे. You will make a lot of presentations in college, outside, during summer internship. तो वैसे नहीं करने का कि characteristics of a dependable player. You need to be assertive. You need to be determined to succeed. You should know what is there on your presentation. You should know where your presentation is. You should know what you want to talk about. Are you enjoying this presentation? Yes. Why? Preparation, but more importantly, there's something happening. Eye contact का spelling बताइए. Eye contact. You connect. You don't have to go to Nokia to work there. You can pick up work. Remember one thing. Don't look at the fan and talk. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. But then don't look at the pocket of your customer and talk. Sir, आपका budget कितना है? Ask questions. Look into the eye of a person. When you look into the eye of a person, what you're conveying is, you can trust him. क्योंकि जिसने चोरी की है वो नजरों से नजरें नहीं मिला सकता है. अरे चोरी छोड़ो, हिंदी फिल्म के हीरोइन को पूछो ना, चोरी से तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. व्हाट डज द हीरो से? मेरी आंखों में देखो, तुम ही तुम. One of the best ways to learn management is to watch a lot of movies. Everything about selling is to do with movies and songs, What does the salesman ask the customer? बाबा मैं बाहर है? Customer says yes. कलियों पे निखार है? Yes. तो आपको तो प्रोडक्ट खरीदना ही है. और the customer is angry and he asks, आप यहाँ आए किस लिए? Customer salesman says आपने बुलाया इसलिए. Customer is angry, आए हैं तो काम भी बताइए. बस you need to smile sir. पहले जरा आप मुस्कुराइए. And when you get up from the customer's table after meeting him, what do you say? अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं. Customer मुझसे फिर कब मिलोगे? Instead of what saying, sir कल आ जाओ. And the customer doesn't want you to come back. That's the problem. Self-starter. ये world है ना world. इसमें बंटी out of fashion हो गया भाई. अभी सिर्फ रंगा fashion में है. There are 3 types of people in the world. A, people who make things happen. B, people who wait for things to happen. And C, people who wonder what happens. So आप decide करो किस category में आपको होना. God has given you 168 hours in a week. I can give you 180. For those of you who want to know, आपके कॉलेज के लाइब्रेरी में ही किताब है टाइम इज मनी मेरी लिखी हुई. मैम से पूछ के बोरो करके पढ़ के उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करो. How many of you wake up at 6:30 a.m.? Okay. How many of you wake up at 6?
5:30 sir.
अब मैं 5:30 से आगे नहीं पूछूंगा, इसका मतलब आप रात को सोए नहीं. Those of you who wake up half an hour before the rest of the world can achieve 2 hours of work before them. I do all my writing, I practice my music, I do whatever I want to do before the rest of the world wakes up. And so I finish my work. The books that I write, the blogging, my coach page on Facebook, whatever. First thing in the morning, early morning, before I go out for a swim. I think it's very important for you to know one thing. That half an hour lead over everybody else. The early bird, अरे पूरा worm का डब्बा मिलता है भाई. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि दुनिया की हर किताब पढ़ लेनी है, बट इतना तो होना चाहिए that you can have an interesting and intelligent conversation with the person across the table. If your customer is a golfer, pick up some knowledge about golf. Don't talk about yourself. The world is full of people who want to talk only about themselves. Maybe the reason you find this presentation interesting is I'm talking about you, not about me. Okay, free gift from my side to all of you today. Do you want the world to love you?
Yeah.
How many of you desperately want the world to love you? Very simple. Just listen to the other person. दुनिया में सुनने वालों की भयंकर कमी है. Just ध्यान से सुनो, अपनी आंखों से सुनो, अपने चेहरे से सुनो, and you notice. Ladies, how often has it happened that your friend had a problem? You just asked, what's your problem? Your friend spoke and spoke and spoke and spoke and spoke, and after 45 minutes she gets up and says, thanks yaar, I'm feeling better. Had you, तुमने ऐसा क्यों बोला? तुझे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. इसलिए उसने ऐसा बोला. Then you would have got into trouble. Just listen, and the other person will start liking you and feeling better. See, there are certain things which require specific personal coaching. और आपने स्पेसिफाई ये नहीं किया कि गर्लफ्रेंड उसी शहर में या दूसरे, बिकॉज दोनों के लिए अलग अलग जरूरी है. However, आपसे गुजारिश है कि ये 2 साल काम, पढ़ाई और उन सब चीजों के ऊपर फोकस कर. गर्लफ्रेंड अपने आप खींची चली आएगी. And in any case, the success of a 29-year-old marriage is staying away for 14 years. Some people call it banvas. No, because I have traveled so much, my wife always says, तुम तो ज़्यादा डाली रहे होगे 29 साल में. You know, that's the way she calculates. That I must have been traveling 180 days in a year. So that's how it is. Yeah, thanks. One of you wanted to come and stand here, no? Timing. Perfect timing. The presentation also knows the audience. When the world says, पता नहीं क्या होगा, मंदी के दिन है, मुश्किल मार्केट्स है, कल हो ना हो, you are supposed to say, all other qualities you will imbibe over a period of time, लेकिन ये आप घर से पहले दिन से लेके आते हैं. Character. And what is character? What you do when no one is looking. जब सब देख रहे हैं, जब CCTV on है, कैमरा on है, तब तो आपको finger on your lip, we all know. But when no one is watching, how do you behave? You are a brand ambassador for India, you realize that? And brand ambassadors are also well-groomed. Personal appearance and grooming. No, 1 minute, let me clarify. God hasn't made everybody great looking. Oh, sorry, correction. Ask any mother. God has made everyone great looking. Even my mother had this misunderstanding. But God hasn't prevented you from feeling great. So feel great. When you start feeling great, you will automatically take care about how you are going. Absolutely. Stand straight, stand erect, and walk muscle. Please. It doesn't. That slouch will not help you. Will I get the job? Will you marry me? It doesn't work. So, personal appearance and grooming is extremely important. Okay, so, God, last slide. They lose their health. God is saying this about human beings. They lose their health to make money and then lose their money to restore their health. By thinking anxiously about the future, they forget the present, such that they live neither for the future nor for the present. They live as if they'll never die and die as if they never lived. You want to nacho all night? You're not going to feel all right. You either nacho all night or you work all night. You can't do both. Work hard, party hard. Advertisement. Arey, liquor company ka ad hai yaar. That's not about life. Okay, I'll give you a media. Work hard 5 days a week. Party hard 1 day. And on the 7th day you decide which one is better. Look after your health. Something funny. As you get older, you get the bigger jobs. As you get older, you get the tougher jobs. As you get older, you get more money. If you're not fit, how will you spend that money? And a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. If you aren't fit, you won't be able to think. And nobody likes to do business with sick kind of people. How many of you do some kind of physical workout every day? Dekha, all the lords of the last benches only. To all of you, Vinamra Vinanti. Please take out at least half an hour. Okay, don't go to the gym if you feel it's boring. Don't go for a run if you think it isn't interesting. Pick up a game of badminton or tennis or table tennis. Go for a swim. I can't miss my swim. I must swim every day. After my 5-kilometer run. And I am 57. Okay, I'm going to skip this. Okay, guys. I think you guys have been very patient, very gracious, very graceful. This is the last question that I wanted. You don't have to answer me now. You can think about the answer. When you go back, write this down on a piece of paper, think about it. This is your progress report for the rest of your life. How would you like to be remembered? When the drama of life ends and the curtains come down, how do you want people to remember your role? Some people have 2-minute roles, some people have 2-hour roles, some people have 200-hour roles. Doesn't matter. What role did you play? And how are people going to remember you? If that can drive you, anything can drive you. And in case you're confused, you're lost, you're slightly upset or something and you want answers to questions, you don't have the answers, feel free to get in touch with me. I am on Facebook as Ajal Rangaswamy, the coach. And this is the link to my book, Beyond the Uncharted Landscape. If you read this book, I don't know whether you will be successful, but I'm very sure you'll feel very happy about being yourself. Remember one thing, nobody can do a better job of being you than you. So don't worry about being somebody else, just be yourself. Take care, have a wonderful life, keep smiling. Thank you.